Okay, good morning, class. Let's drop this a bit. Okay, so today we're looking at the equations. Looking at the examples for exercise 1. So exercise 1 is very similar to grade 8 linear equations. So solve a linear equation, example x plus 8 is equal to 0. You need to find the value of x only one, namely linear. Okay, linear means the x to the power 1. Later on, we're going to do quadratic equations, which is x to the power 2. Remember trinomials? We do that leads into quadratic equations, and we have done another type of equation, which is we did it in the first term. Yes, good start. Exponential equations. Did you forget about that? Yeah. So, namely, x is equal to 2 for this equation here. So the left-hand side, which is x plus 8, is equal to the right-hand side, which is 10. Okay. As we know, the equation must be balanced and all of those things. Okay. We say x is equal to 2 satisfy the equation. In any equation, the left-hand side must always be equal to the right-hand side. If the left-hand side is not equal to the right-hand side, then that means to say the equation doesn't exist. Okay, you guys understand? Alright. On both sides of the equal, if x equal to y, you may add the same number on either side. We may subtract the same number on either side. We can multiply the same, and we can divide the same number on the same side. We're going to solve equation which only have one variable, ax, etc. So this example 1 is on page 48. Alright. And these examples are examples for exercise 1, which is on page 49. Okay, so what do I do first in pursuit of calculating x? Get x on its own, so you take the 4 over the equal sign, so negative 2x is equal to 16 minus 4. Remember, when we take positive over the equal sign, it becomes negative, and we take negative over, it becomes positive. So negative 2x is equal to what? 16 minus 4? 12. So I divide by negative 2 both sides. So x is equal to negative 6. Positive divided by negative is negative. You guys understand? Is there any confusion there? Right. We did a lot of this in grade 8, no? What's my thought? Where must you be? Grade 8. Which grade 8 are you looking for? Which grade are you? Grade 8. You go around the corner. It's the second class, not the first one, the second class. Which one are you? Right, any confusion there? Right. The next one, we have 6x minus 12 is equal to 2x plus 4. Right, so what must we do here? X is one side, numbers the other side. Not so. So it becomes 6x minus 2x is equal to 4 plus 12. What's 4 plus 12? 16. What's 6x minus 2x? So how do I get x on its own? Divide by 4 both sides. You all agree with that? So 16 divided by 4. Any confusion there? Number 3. So here we got 6x plus 16 is equal to 8 minus 12x. So what do I do here? X is one side, numbers the other side. So you get over that side. So it's going to be 6x. What's minus 12x becomes? Plus 12x. Is equal to 8 minus 16. So 6x plus 12x is 18x. And what is 8 minus 16? Negative 8. So how do I get x on its own? Divided by 18 both sides. We want x on its own, so I divide by whatever is in front of x, the coefficient. Positive divided by negative is negative. 2 goes into 18 4 times, 2 go into 8 4 times 2 go into 18. 9, so it's negative 4 over. And of course we can test if you are correct. Okay, so if you got the left hand side is equal to 6 into negative 4 over 9 plus 16. So 3 goes into here twice and here thrice. So it's negative 8 over 3 plus 16. That's naturally over 1. That is 3. So it's negative 8. What's 16 times 3? 48. I think, no? So it's 40 over 3. So check what 16 times 3. Should be 48. Alright, so is that correct, people? Let's go with the right hand side. So it's 8 minus 12 times negative 4 over 9. So it's 8 minus 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 12 4 times. So that's positive 16 over 3. That's going to give you 24 plus 16 over 3, which is 40 over 3. Can you see the left hand side is equal to the right hand side? So that means to say that is the correct answer. Say for argument's sake I made a mistake and came with an answer of 1. No, this is now not right, no? I said it. So we can test it again. Left hand side, if x is equal to 1, there is going to be 6 times 1 plus 16, which is 6 plus 16, which is 22. Let's look at the right hand side. The right hand side would have been 8 minus 12 times 1, which is 8 minus 12, which is negative. Can you see the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side? So then of course that wasn't a solution. You can try an infinity amount of x values here. Nothing will work other than x is equal to negative 4 over 9. Does it make sense? Do I have to test for everyone? No. But this is just a tool of checking that in your exam that your answer is correct. Okay, you guys understand? Number 4. We got 8 minus 2x minus 5 plus 6x is equal to 3x minus 4x plus 10. What do we do first, people? X is one side, numbers the other side. Not so. So I got 8. Okay, I'm going to bring the x's to the left. You don't have to bring it to the left, but I just made it a habit over the years already. So negative 2x plus 6x. So I'm bringing the 3x over and the negative 4 over. So it becomes negative 3x plus 4x. You all agree with that? Equals. 10 is staying here, so the sign doesn't change. Not so. You're bringing 8 over becomes, if there's no sign, there's a positive. Bring a positive 8 over becomes negative 8. Bring negative 5 over becomes positive 5. What's 10 minus 8 plus 5 is 7. Negative 2x plus 6x, 4x. 4x plus 4x, 8x. 8x minus 3x is 5x. So how do I get x on its own here? Divided by 5. So x is equal to? Alright, you all okay with that, people? Any confusion? But at this point, you guys have done the exercise 1 already, not so? We're just going to mark it quickly and see if there's any problems. We'll do it on the board as well, okay? Alright, so the issues number 11 and 14, okay? This is from the exercise 1. Okay, so this exercise 1, number 11. Eh? So it was 3x minus 7 is equal to 5x minus 13. So x is one side, numbers the other side. So it's going to be 3x minus 5x is equal to negative 13 plus 7, which is negative 13 is 4 is 6, negative 2x. So how do I get x on its own? Divided by negative 2 both sides, so x equal to 3. that correct? Who asked this question? Where did you go wrong, Michael? So you wrote negative 5 here. Okay, something wrong with you? Just check. Right number? 14. You got 3x minus 27 is equal to 8x minus 22. People, x is one side, numbers the other side. So it becomes 3x minus 8x is equal to negative 22 plus 27. 27 minus 22 is 5. That's going to give you negative 5x. Is that correct? Divided by negative 5 both sides. So x equal to negative 1. Who asked this question? Where you got wrong?
So I kept negative 27 and negative.
Oh, so when you transpose, you kept that to be negative. Remember to change the sign. Any other issues? Okay, that basically brings us to the end of exercise 1. You guys have to do exercise 2 as well, no? So we will go straight into exercise 2 now.